Usually in photography you're limited regarding exposure. If you have really light or dark parts in a photo, you have to decide what part to expose. With an HDR photo you can set a range of exposures to get a maximum of contrast and colors in your picture. The end effect can make the photo look hyper-real or just natural. For this shoot I set the Leica S2 to bracketing mode to expose a sequence of 5 shots. I used a one-stop difference in exposure for each shot. If you can, put your camera on a tripod to limit ghost effects when putting the image together later. After downloading the images, I make a selection and open them in a RAW converter. To optimize the final photo, I do a color correction and sharpening on the images if necessary. I also check the images for chromatic aberration and try to limit it as much as possible. Finally, make sure to synchronize all the shots and either save or export the RAW files. In this case, I export high-resolution JPEGs and open them in Photomatix Pro. In my experience, this program offers more options and better results for HDR photos than Photoshop. Select the Generate HDR option and check the files you have selected. You have different merge options. In this case, we use the first option, which aligns source images by correcting horizontal and vertical shifts. You have two important checkboxes below, which reduce chromatic aberration and noise. I'm also using the reduce ghosting function because my subject moved a little bit between the photos. Use the recommended color profile option. Click on the Generate HDR button and the software creates a 32-bit merge of all your shots. At this point, you can save the 32-bit file as an HDR image and reopen and rework on it anytime. To change the image settings, click on Tone Mapping and a new dialog box with loads of options opens. Keep an eye on the preview window as you move the sliders. Go through them from top to bottom to find your preferred look. When you're done, you can save your settings as a custom template and access it anytime. To return to the beginning, you can always press Default. When you're ready, check the histogram a final time. Check the quality by zooming in 100% and then press Process. Now you have a great HDR image which you can save and make necessary post-edit corrections within Photoshop.